Print media. Print media is one of the oldest and basic forms of mass communication. It includes newspapers, weeklies, magazines, monthlies, and other forms of printed journals. Within these publications, there are two main divisions of labor: reporting and editing. Reporters are the newspaper writers who investigate newsworthy events and interesting stories. Editors assign stories to reporters, edit story content, and decide which stories to print. A basic understanding of the print media is essential in the study of mass communication. The contribution of print media is providing information and transfer of knowledge is remarkable. Even after the advent of electronic media, the print media has not lost its charm or relevance. Print media has the advantage of making a longer impact on the minds of the reader with more in-depth reporting and analysis. Print media generally refers to newspapers. Newspapers collect, edit, and print news, reports, and articles. There are newspapers published in the evening also. They are called evengers. Newspapers play a very important role in our daily life. We read the newspaper for news, entertainment, and information. Printing technology came to India in the year 1556. It was the Jesuit priests who brought this technology to our country. The first book printed in India was in Portuguese language in Old Goa. It was Doctrina Christa by Saint Francis Xavier. The invention of printing has revolutionized mass communication. Books are printed in large numbers and circulated in many countries. No other invention has had such an influence in the history of mankind. Electronic media. The electronic revolution began in the last part of the 20th century. Television became the primary attraction of people. This medium, in addition to giving the essential news, provides immense entertainment too. Severe competition in the electronic field has made various private organizations come forward to provide loads of information to farmers, workers, investors, different kinds of consumers, students, and other classes of people. No matter where any event takes place, television brings every scene within seconds in front of our eyes. It telecasts news about disasters like earthquakes, floods, accidents, etc. Moreover, it has been of great help in giving news about weather disturbances well in time, which help us to reduce the ill consequences. In addition to television, the other influential electronic media are radio, mobile, and internet. These have become an integral part of the lives of many people. Internet is used more in the urban areas. Mobile is a powerful medium which has reached both literate and illiterate people. Similarly, radio remains a significant medium even today. It is the audio medium which gives both information and entertainment. Internet has brought the whole world very closer together. It is the most powerful medium to send news within seconds from one corner of the world to another. Many movements today are being facilitated through Facebook, Twitter, and others that are available on the internet. In this manner, electronic medium has been playing a major role in transforming our society. This is a continuous process. Entertainment media. Entertainment industry in India has registered an explosive growth in last 2 decades, making it one of the fastest growing industries in India. Films are the most important form of entertainment in India. Film industry in India is among the largest in the world in terms of films produced. approximately 1,000 in different languages, which include films in Hindi, Kannada, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Punjabi, and Malayalam. Approximately 23 million Indians go to see a film every day. According to unofficial estimates available in January 2001, the Indian film industry has an annual turnover of rupees 60 billion. India has a National Film Development Corporation (NFDC) which finances some films.